Hey everyone, this is your trainer from the Electronic Service Division of the Akron-Summit County Public Library. Thank you for joining me. In this last segment, I'm going to talk about how to protect your workbook if you do not want anybody else to open except those people who have the password. To do that, you are going to go to File, you are going to go to Save As, and click on the Browse. Save As dialog box come up here. You are going to click on the arrow next to the Tools button, and that is near the Save blue button at the bottom. I'm going to click on the drop-down arrow, click on General Options. There you are going to put the password. Once, click on OK. Put another time again. Remember, password always have to be opened to be entered twice. Click on OK. Click on Save. You'll be asked to replace the existing workbook. You are not changing the content of it. You are just going to put the password protected on it. Click on Yes. Now, since you have password protected, if you wanted to open this password again, you will be asked to put the password in. Let's say I'm going to put that password, open the workbook one more time again. I'm going to double click on it, and I will need to have the password enter before I could even open it. Click on OK. You can get to your workbook. Now, if you wanted to delete the password, you are going to go exactly the same way. Now, if you wanted to delete the password, you are going to go back exactly the same way you uh, uh, put the password in first. Go ahead and click on a file, click on Save As, click on Browse, click next to the tools. There is a drop-down arrow. Click on that, General Options, and then you delete the password that you can see. Click on OK. Click on Save. You will be asked to replace it. Again, this time you are deleting the password protection. Go ahead and click on Yes on that. Now, if you wanted to open this workbook one more time again, remember you deleted the password already. You should not be asked to enter the password at all. I'm going to double click and open that. Now I should be able to open my password without needing to put any password in. That is how you would um, put the password in to protect the workbook so that no one else can open it except who has the password. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you learn something out of these segments. And if you need any more information, any other questions, you can give us a call at the Electronic Service Division 330-643-9145, or you can request for one-on-one tech help at www.akronlibrary.org/T like in Tom, Z like in zone. TZ stands for tech zone. Okay, akronlibrary.org/TZ, and you can fill in the form and ask to have one-on-one session, about 30 minutes maximum, and one of our trainers will get back with you to go through and explain any of the things that you needed a little more extra help. Thank you for joining me again. Have a great day.